Hi guys, welcome to Ford Pampanga. By the way, my name is Shigeru and I'm your sales executive for today. And today we're featuring something na perfect para sa modern Filipino driver, smart, fuel-efficient, premium ang dating. This is the all-new Ford Territory Hybrid from Laos Auto Group. Pagdating naman sa looks, makikita natin yung bagong Ford Territory Hybrid natin. LED na siya. And we have the coast-to-coast LED lights natin. And makikita natin, umiilaw na din yung Ford natin dito sa badge niya. And napaka-aggressive nung look ng grills niya. Let's talk about naman yung pagiging hybrid ni Territory. Ano bang special dito? Yung hybrid Territory po natin is napakaganda, which is mas tipid sa gas, mas tahimik, and mas eco-friendly. For your information, si Territory Hybrid nga pala is gumagamit siya ng electric motor and combination ng internal combustion engine. So let's say 45 kph, pure electric po ang ginagamit ni Territory, which is mas makakatipid tayo. Kung ayaw nyo po ng traffic, si Territory mas gusto niya yung traffic. And doon pa lang gagana yung internal combustion engine po natin pag above 45 kph na. So mas makakatipid po tayo during traffic time. And mas fuel efficient po siya. Inside the Territory naman, mapipil mo agad yung premium feeling, which is napakaganda ng infotainment niya. And inside also the cluster head and premium leather from our dashboard, sidings ng pintuan, and the steering wheel. And perfect na perfect po siya from road trip, barkada road. It has 5-seater and it's very spacious. Hi guys, nandito pala tayo sa likod ng Territory, which is explain ko sa inyo yung pinaka-favorite part ko dito. Yung magic nito. So, hands-free lift gate na din pala siya. De-demo ko sa inyo. So, isang kick mo lang, mag-open na siya. And then, highlight ko na rin yung ating trunk capacity, which is 444 liters. Yung space niya na pwede nyo ilagay. So, kayang-kaya niya maglagay ng 2 kabayan small box. And then, ganun din guys, pagka isasara natin. So, magbe-benefit siya pagka marami tayong bitbit and kailangan mong mag-open. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan pindutin. First of all, i-featured ko lang yung 360 camera natin, which is I'm proud of kasi we're best in class pagdating po sa quality ng camera ni Ford Territory Hybrid. Napakalinaw niya. We have 2D and 3D. Yan. So, pwede siyang i-browse. Paikot ng car natin. Then, when you go parking, I suggest na i-hazard mo siya. So, para makita mo yung sidings ng gulong. Left and right po siya. So, ito yung ating right, ito yung left. So, matatansyan nyo po yung space ng parking nyo po. Nang hindi kayo sumasayad sa gutter. We have 3 modes, which is the drive modes natin, Eco and Sport. So if mag-Eco tayo, mas makakatipid tayo sa fuel consumption. Same pa rin yung takbo mo. At And if naman pag mag-overtake ka para hindi ka mabitin, so you will use sport para mas malakas yung hatak mo. And we have different kinds of steering mode din. So we have standard and comfort pagka gusto mo mas magaan yung steering wheel natin. And then sport naman, which is ginagamit yan pagka mabilisan, sport mode yung gamit mo drive mode. Si Ford Territory pala is pack na adaptive cruise control, which is hindi mo na siya kailangang mag-apak ng brake or umapak ng gasolina. Then for our moonroof, as you can see, napakagaan ng steering wheel natin, which is naka-ipas na din yung steering wheel ni Ford Territory Hybrid. Electronic power assisted steering wheel na po yung gamit ni Territory Hybrid. And guys, for our freebies, meron na po tayong KDX Nano Ceramic, 10-liter fuel, 3 years emergency road assistance, early warning device, and yung first labor po natin, which is free na po din, and 5 years warranty or 150,000 kilometer yung ating warranty. So guys, for the price of our Territory, starting from the Trend Territory, which is 1.399 retail price, and for the hybrid Titanium X naman is 1.599, our top of the line. If you enjoyed this picture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you sa next ride with Laos Autofocus Premier Edition.